It's our typical breakfast here at our hotel we're staying at in Cusco. We use the app, scan the barcode, order breakfast in the evening, what time and where we want it. Today we decided to take it in the dining room. Coffee, fruit, I already ate my egg, bread, honey, what is that, papaya?
Yeah, papaya juice.
Papaya juice. So we just went to the travel agency over there. Right over there underneath Patty's Irish Pub.
Yeah, no,
Hillary, yeah. Underneath the Patty's Irish Pub. So what happened? What did we do?
Oh my god, I was so surprised because I thought it's like expensive going to Polkoya and then going to I really want to go to what is that, Rainbow Mountain?
Yeah.
I thought it's too expensive, but it's not.
We're going to Polkoya, which is different than Rainbow. That's the other Rainbow.
Oh yeah, no, for 3 Thursday and Friday included breakfast, lunch, and it's only like 440 soles for both of us, which is in dollars. In dollars, how much is that in dollars? It's less than $120 total. Imagine that.
Yeah. So we're taking two trips. One is tomorrow is to Polkoyo Mountain, the other Rainbow Mountain, and then the next late on Friday I forget what it's called now, but it's the lake. The lake. We'll have to put the name at the bottom of the screen there.
Yeah.
And then today we decided to go to the ATMs or take the ATV. I'm sorry,
ATV.
ATV.
Oh my goodness.
To I forget the name of the town that. And so we're going to do that this afternoon. 2.5 hour trip to see the modern sculptures.
Yep.
And these are modern sculptures.
Included
so it's not
everything: taxi, ATV, 410 soles,
and that's
which
for
is
both of us.
$36.
$36 for both of us. So we think
Why
that's a good
not?
deal.
Why not? You know.
We went to Machu Picchu yesterday. We're just kind of looking for extra things to do here in Cusco.
Thursday, Friday.
Thursday and Friday.
Yeah.
And
we have a blast.
Now we have a plan.
Here. We have plan already, which is good.
So stay tuned. Another look at this road here. Quaint road going up the hill. It's kind of a steep hill. It's pretty. It's a little hard to walk on though, but it's so pretty. I like how they organize the stones in this. This is right next to one of the cathedrals. Right on the square. But look at that stonework. Beautiful. Today we're going to eat at the Mistura Grill restaurant. It's a nice little place here. They have a digital menu, free Wi-Fi, which is nice. They have that posted on the tables. So far we're getting a classic lemonade, which has been our staple drink, with ice, con hielo. We keep forgetting. We've just now learned it's taken us 4 days to realize to ask for hielo when we order our drinks, because some people like ice in their lemonade, in their limonada. But this is a cute restaurant. This is Mistura, and it's right on the plaza, so you can overlook the plaza if you want to. But the window seats are all taken right now. So, yeah, the back wall is pretty. I like their artwork in the back wall. And so the rest of it looks like there's 2 stories, so it's probably more upstairs. I ordered the chicken.
Oh, you ordered chicken?
Yep, pollo reina.
Relleno.
That's it. And what did you order? You ordered the fish, right?
No, always
no.
chicharrones.
Chicharrones.
That's only chicharrones and piscao.
Since we've been here, she's only ordered chicharrones and
Piscao.
fish. Piscao.
Yes.
Trout.
Trout.
Lunchtime. The guy on the right is a one-man band playing the flute, guitar. He's got the cymbals on his feet that he's tapping, and a drum behind him. Pretty amazing. you ready for our ATV trip?
I don't know. We'll see.
Or Quattro Moto, as they call it here. ATVs are coming up behind us. Here they come. That must be the previous ones. Look at the face. There's one face, and another face, and three faces.
3 paces.
See, we're here. Is this Area 51? I don't know. I don't know if this is considered Area 51 or not.
51 or 21?
21, that's what I meant.
21. You said 51.
Did it? Yeah, I don't know why I'm saying 51 for. Since that ain't you. I don't think this is it.
Look at the view.
But yeah, the view out here is nice.
Wow.
Up the stairs. Oops.
Be careful.
Be careful. Don't another fall down the stairs. Down the montaña.
Good, sorry for this stuff.
Look at that view down there. I'll come over here.
Oh, I like this one here.
See, look at the view back here. See that?
Look at this.
Oh, yeah. Up there with the statues up here. Photo. I think Annalisa's looking at the other statues over there. We got these are all modern stuff here, pretty cool. Kind of fun. Quick stop on a little ATV ride. We only have a few minutes, so we can't stay long. Wow, that looks like a cool place though. Wish we could come back here and have some cappuccino. Looks like a great place to get some coffee. That's a coffee shop over there. Sadly, we don't have time. Have to hold my phone. So this is on our four-wheeler trip, quadrimotor. Took us to Area 51, well, sort of. Somebody's house up there. Let's zoom in. Built his house into a spaceship called Area 51. Photo op. So how did you enjoy our ATV ride?
It's okay. I used to it. But it's
I was expecting
yeah.
a little more sightseeing.
I just one.
Basically one spot.
But
we stopped at.
they got a lot of statues.
Yeah, the statues, and I didn't realize that was really our final, essentially our final destination. Otherwise, I would have stayed there longer.
I know.
And taken out my drone.
That's what the guy said. 50 minutes, but we don't even realize that
That
our
was
last
it.
destination.
Yeah,
So
because they took us to the aqueduct.
Uh-huh.
Decided to agreed to pay an extra 10 soles to go to the aqueduct, which is another 5 minutes up the road.
Yeah, we pay for the 10 soles for
10
gas.
soles for gas.
Yeah.
And I think the real reason was because those guys had that in their tour, and he didn't want to split us up and have to come back for us.
Yeah. But
I
it's
think
okay.
that's
It's
the
only
reason.
$30.
So really,
It's not bad.
we got an ATV ride.
ATV ride for 3 hours. Oh no.
No, was that
Like 1 hour and a half because he said 45 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know how long it's been. But
Oh,
anyway,
it's okay. We enjoy. At least we get something
it was
to do.
fun. It was active.
Yeah.
And I enjoyed the ATV ride.
And look how dusty we
Yeah.
are.
We're dusty. Look at that.
So miss. It's okay. Let's go.
But it's more of an ATV ride, not really a sightseeing ride.
At least we experienced ATV in Peru.
Peru. What do they call them? Quattro motors?
Oh, I don't know.
Quattro motors, that's it.
Yeah.
This is a courtyard of the cathedral where the catacombs are. Can't show you the catacombs because that's prohibited for photography. So we won't be doing that. But they have a nice courtyard. And you get to see the inside of the courtyard. But the catacombs is pretty interesting. And your name is Kamiya?
My name is Kania.
What's your last name? Your last name? Nombre.
¿Cómo se llama?
My name is Kania Dorregaray.
And they make the arts out of gourds.
Yeah, this is for representing, for example, the costume festivity from Peru.
And your father's name is
And
Sixto?
this is the name from my father. My father made this.
That's perfect.
Approximately 3 months, and here 2 weeks.
2 weeks to
2 weeks
make.
for
Wow.
that small one. Oh,
Yes.
Wow, that's
wow.
beautiful.
How the detail is.
Yeah, look at that. Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit.
Yeah,
That's beautiful.
yeah.
And then by this park, down the street a little ways, close to the market, is the San Francisco de Asís Cathedral and catacombs underneath it. And so we actually went and saw the catacombs. That was kind of interesting. But this is not on the main square. It's not on Plaza de Armas. It's down close to where the San Pedro Market is. And this is the San Francisco de Asís. I don't know if it's a cathedral or basilica or what it is. So we went and saw the catacombs. I had a tour guide come and walk us around a little bit. And since you can't take pictures inside, I don't have any to post. But it was very interesting. It was pretty interesting. And they have the largest painting in all of South America in here. So make sure you stop by to see that. So that's and that was painted in 16 something. I forget the year. Quick video of the park. Park's been around, I guess, been here for 200 years. I love all the old trees in this park. Right across from the St. Francis de Asís Church Cathedral. So I've seen this symbol on some of the streets, with the crossed out trumpet on there. So I thought that meant, I'll zoom in a little bit. So I thought that meant no music, and I thought that was odd. And I just realized after being here for 4 days, that means don't honk your horn. Silly me. And nobody's honking their horn. So it makes it a lot more peaceful. There's always something going on in Plaza de Armas. The Angels are having fun out here tonight. I like their description of their bathroom here. Our imperial city of Cusco uses an ancient system of plumbing. Please don't flush the toilet paper, it will cause a blockage. It's one thing that I found interesting with being at the high elevation is anything that's been sealed, like this packet of crackers, inflates and turns into like an inflated balloon. It happened to this, and it happened to this bag of pistachios that we brought for snacks. And they just sort of blow up like a balloon. It's happened to a few other things too. So I just think that's crazy that the altitude and the air is so much thinner. This is a tangible way of actually seeing the difference in the air pressure. The air pressure is lower up here. Therefore, anything that's been sealed at closer to sea level actually blows up and inflates. Yeah.